Welcome to the channel. Subscribe.
Shaka, you don't feel a full time now for you find yourself one man.
But right now I just want one man from out there, so I don't want nobody there so because I don't want to sit down and chat me and take me for no community bicycle right now.
No girl, better you there with somebody in your community because you don't know what man out there so we do to you.
Yeah, that's true, but my boy a local boy and idiot boy. I don't want nobody when I grew up with me. I just want somebody new and somebody fresh. I don't want nobody else.
Girl, it better you there with somebody from your community where you know about. But anyways, anything I say still.
I'm too local.
Alright, so you say me I can go up on my yard still later.
Yeah man, you know some man go up on the road too, so. Alright.
From pool party, I click run at Glen Drive, you know.
Yeah man, they forward man.
I mean, it's something nice to brownie and thing around here, you know.
Yeah
so
man.
we have to circle in there.
Yeah man.
And here we are going because we have to get something decent.
Yeah man, put on some nice suit and girl now.
Ah, this Subaru, me and drive go around them are dead.
No problem man, put on a daddy bling man and thing man.
Shaka. Shaka baby. What you move so?
You mean no me a move, so me a move.
Good look what I'm seeing in that place, yeah.
Me there about.
Good. But a long time I like and thing.
I like myself too.
So you know, I know we nice.
One, where me one now.
I want a relationship between me and you. Oh, that can't go happen.
No sir, I don't want no man in my community. We are talking about relationship.
So what are you going to do about it?
You mean when me out the boat, you didn't hear me say?
I mean, Subaru park up over there, so.
So what?
You know, front foot pan dashboard.
Me don't want no man in my community. Me have a community bicycle. How what? You think want to chat me like on the chatty girl them in here? Yeah, your friend. We sit down over there, sir. You think want to chat me like on the chatty girl them in here?
But that's not the problem.
Me have a community bicycle. You think want to come use me like when your friend they use the girl them in our community?
But a girl like you have ambition more. I want a girl for second long like you because I see all your flights and things, so I know say yeah. You're the right
Well,
somebody.
how me flex of him other man out there, man out of my community. Me no want no now either.
So how will we do so?
Me never son, you know, but me just no want no now either. Me no want no now. Me no want no now.
Like how when you come in and then thing, you know say, name little Tuggy, there watch your head back. And make sure you say go in there, oh, safe and phone.
Me never say. Me never son in and do that. But here, man, you take up, right there you take up too much of my time. Later.
So I say I go move like that.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Go on. See them girls are moving, brother. You see them move? We who know them not there with we, you know. They make it look hard. You see me?
If you go pick up a man out there now, I wish same man them around come back to.
See man down. So you know what we have to go do now?
Just so slow and watch them.
Exactly. That's all we have to go do.
Yes, Betty Cracker. This is Mr. John Snyder. Yes. Did you get to send the money? Did you get to send the money today? All right. So remember, the name is A as in apple, H as in ball. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So yes. So do the rest. Do the Western Union. Yes. All right. Don't hang up. Don't hang up. Hello. I want to chop in your life.
How are you?
I mean name Chop Lord. Yes, Betty. Yes. Remember, don't hang up. Just put the phone and hook, alright? Yes. I mean name Chop Lord man from over Glendivan.
Over there, so a rich place over there, so.
Yeah, I know me man. I mean I chopper. I mean run off all our place.
Oh.
I mean I chop everywhere.
So how you want with me now?
Me see I'm like you man. I love how you looking and cute and nice. Sexy.
You don't want nobody, you know.
But me I don't know nobody. I'm a chopper. I'm not normal. I'm not a normal chopper. Yes, the woman of
So you say you chop a line.
yeah, man, hold on. Yes, ma'am. Remember, 35,000 US, all right? 35,000 US.
So how much that?
Or yourself, man. You can buy a house and a car.
Eh?
I mean, iPhone.
Well, if you can buy a house and a car, yeah, you can link, man.
Alright, so come on then, no? What's your name? I'm gonna feed upon.
Shakaberry.
Shakaberry?
Yeah.
Betty? Yes, remember, send it right now. Yes. Okay, Betty. Man. Bless up on yourself. Not come from the place, you know, man. Chop, you know. Chop lad, you know. I mean, him chop lad, you know, from flank, you know. Trouble not come from. Chop lad. Chop lad. Are you still live?
Yeah.
No, so I first never come to my place, you know. I chop, you know. I used to live and say, yeah.
Just come on. Just come in.
You can't hold me. You can't hold. Alright. The boy them on the corner a while ago out there, so. You pass and you look upon them and me and walk with the eye straight, so. Look upon me if you want a man to look upon.
Look, I have nothing for do.
I mean, look nothing to do. Fix your face when me a talk to you.
So what is for?
The woman me a chopper in the moment, I think so me a joker.
So you are what you me want, me don't want nobody, so you worry about who me a look pan for.
No, when me a chat to you,
No
you hear
lick me,
thing
no
on
lick
to you.
me, no lick me.
You think so on to you. Where you go? Where you go? Come back here, sir.
Don't help me, man, I beat me. The man I beat me, don't help me now.
If you help him, I must say name one thing for a man.
So you can't help me, man, I beat me, don't help me.
Me don't know if you couldn't find man out there, girl.
Don't help me now.
Okay.
You never make no man come in the community come beat up on no man. They will help me, man.
Remember say they want a community man.
You never make no man come beat up on no man. They will not in the community. You need to help me.
See, you know how we pedal like bicycle, that is it. And we never ask if you know sex other than ask if you have a relationship.
Just help me now, please.
Go on back to him.
Kira, oi.
What do you?
Jesus Christ, me say girl, the man a beat me. Me find one man and he a beat me up. Me say, man lick me. Me have to run, come out of my own house.
Which one you find out the man?
I don't remember when he say come from, but he say come from where top chopper then there.
Alright, for you, that's why if you deal with man will come from your community where you know about them and know about their family background. But you don't want a man will come from your community.
Me have to run out of my house. Me have to run, come up here. And me tell you, look idiot boy them, so they if you help me, them talk, oh, when they just look me never want them.
Right, for you, me not wrong them. You don't want no community man, you want strange man.